Corrigin Dog Cemetery, a tribute to man's best friend. Corrigin in 2002 recorded 1,527 dogs in utes, the world record. It was started by Paddy Wright, and this is a statue of his dog Strike. Look at these little statues. Cute. Oh, that's a big one. It's a good one. Boss, the best working mate. Hang on. Gosh, Ritro was 15 years old. I like this one. Jackie boy. This one's even got his own tree. I like this one. Look at all he's got all these toys there. It's a frisbee. And look out the back there is rope that he plays with. Phoenix Squire. Loyal. This dog was really loved by his family. Look at this one. Aussie Dickens, Zeus and Nitro's best mate. And look, here's Zeus Dickens, Aussie's best mate. I like this one. I want to play. Are you grounded today? 15 years, defiant to the end. Obie Riley. Woody, Carol's best friend. Old Benny.